What's up, guys? Merry Christmas in July. Okay, y'all, I thought I'd do a cute, quick Christmas DIY. Of course, all items will be from Dollar Tree. And hopefully that y'all be able to still find it because they're usually there all the time. It's this cute little wooden crate, some twine, and these cute little wooden beads. So y'all, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to make is a cute little garland. So I took my wooden beads, selected the color and the size beads that I want for my garland, which of course you see is green and red, and then different little sizes. So it can add a little dimension or what have you to my garland. So that's the first step, guys. Okay, after you get your beads in order, then get your twine and just simply thread your twine through your beads. Make sure you leave your ends a little long because we want to do the next step, and just make sure it's going to be even. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, once you thread your twine through your beads, make sure you create a knot at the end. Then that way the beads, of course, won't slide off. So once you create your knot, and hopefully you left about 6 inches of the twine for your end, and then just create 2 loops. And the 2 loops is literally just like these loops that's in my hand. They're just loose loops. You're just gathering it, basically. And then it form, I call them rabbit ears. And then you're just going to tie it like you would your shoestrings to form a bow. Okay? So just 2 loose. Just gather your twine like that, creating, I call them bunny ears. And then you're going to just form a bow like you would when you tie your shoelaces. And then the bow will come out looking like this, guys. Just cute to make at the end of your garland. Okay, so once you got your garland nice and secure on your twine with your cute little bows at the end, then we're going to take our crate and we're just going to hot glue it. Hey, hot glue gun. And we're just going to hot glue it on our crate. How easy is that, guys? And just once you position it properly, and then that'll be it. So let me hot glue it, and then I'll come back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys. The finished project. How cute is that, guys? In this crate, you could do both sides if you want. I think just one side is cute enough. But you can use this as a gift box. Christmas decor. You could put candles in it. Crate, like paper. What you call it? The crinkle paper stuff. And add all. It's endless of what you could actually use this box for. And of course, this project can be used with any color beads. And since these beads are wooden, you can actually paint these beads with acrylic paint if you don't see the ideal color that you want. Because I know a lot of people like more like white, the neutral colors and everything like that. And of course, y'all know that can be used year round. Red and green could be used also. But anyway, it just have fun with this, guys. It's simple, it's cute. And to me, it looks expensive. You know what I'm saying? But here you go. Another Dollar Tree DIY that all the materials you should be able to find at your local Dollar Tree, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. This is too cute, guys.